Quickly want to show you guys how to attach this Tormek scissor guide to your TooHr or any guided knife sharpening system. Get some wood. This is 60 by 25 millimeters. The block of wood is 120, and I drilled 3 holes. Put some wood nuts into it. 1 on this side, 2 on the other. Soften it out. I ripped the wood on that side. Eek, looks awful, but it still does the trick. Clean as you go. If you're enjoying this video, hit the like, comment and subscribe if you'd like to hear what your thoughts are. Cheers, on with the video. Use some washers to help. And use a big washer on the front. These are 6mm X screw. That's the little touch it. Touch your scissors. They make a little bungee cord. And yoink. It keeps it to the side. Mark the edge. And that's the Outdoor 55 plates that he suggested, diamond plates that I'm using there. Do a soft little, that's a 2000 grit. It's not super abrasive, it's not super aggressive. And I'm going to adjust it slightly. Put more on the other side. Take a few passes. And sharp as can be.